Assalamualaikum et bonjour. Today we are going to look at the adjective of nationality in French. Now, les adjectifs de nationalité. Now, if you remember, in the dialogue of chapter 1, we have seen 3 nationalities. You remember? Do you still remember? All right, you have Malaysian, Malaysian, Français, French, and also Belge, means Belgian. Now, you might ask, why is it important for us to know the adjective of nationality in French? Well, in English, if you say I am Malaysian, you can use it for both man and a lady. If a man say I am Malaysian, he will say I am Malaysian. If a lady, it stays the same. She will say I am Malaysian as well. But for French, it is different. If you are a man, you will use Malaysian but in masculine form. If you are a lady, you use Malaysian but it has to be in feminine form. Alright, now let's look at this table. Now we're going to look firstly at the first column. Now, your first column you have pays. Pays. La Malaisie, la France, la Belgique. La Malaisie, la France, la Belgique. What does it mean? La Malaisie means Malaysia, France means France, and la Belgique means Belgium. So these are countries. Now, in the second column, you have all the adjectives of nationality but in masculine form. You have Malaysian, Français, and Belge. And if you are a man, you use this column to say I am Malaysian, I am French, and I am Belgian. Now, in the third column, you have all the adjectives of nationality but in feminine form. So, if you are a lady, a woman, you use these nationalities to say you are Malaysian, you are French, and you are Belgian. Do you understand that? Now, let's look at the expression je suis. Do you remember? Je suis. We have seen this. Now, je suis means what? I am. So, now I want to say I am Malaysian. So, which Malaysian I want to use? I'm a woman. So, I will use... Correct. I'm going to use this one. Malaysian. So, I would say, je suis Malaisienne. Alright? So, let's say I'm a French lady. Which nationality I want to use? I will use Française. I would say, je suis Française. Means I am a French lady. But I'm not. Well, I'm not. Okay, now, let's look at these nationalities. Alright. So, you have expression je suis. So, you can use with any of the adjective of nationality according to the situation. Alright. Now, if you look closely, these nationalities, these adjective of nationalities are written differently. Can you see that? Some of it are written with yang and then with en. So now you know there are some nationalities are written like this. For male, it is yang with ien, but for female, you add en with ienne, like Malaysian, Malaysian. Okay, some of it. Some of the nationalities are written like this. The second one. Now, for female form of this nationality, some are written with e at the end. You just add e. Okay, so you have Français. To make it female, you add e. française. Some, yeah? Not all. Now, and the last one, it is invariable. What does it mean, invariable? It doesn't change at all. It stays the same for male and female. Like here you have Belge. Belge, Belge. It means Belgian. So if you say you are a man, a Belgian man, you say Je suis Belge. If you are a Belgian lady, you say Je suis Belge as well. So the nationalities are written differently, whether it's male or female. And some of it are written with yang and en for female. Some of it is written with e at the end of the adjective, like français and française. And some of it stay the same. Now, I hope you remember what I've taught you today. Well, if you do have any question, just ask. Let me know. Okay? Right, so I would say bon courage. Repeat this clip again if you don't remember, or if you're not sure. Okay? And merci beaucoup. Au revoir.